Hello and welcome back to the Randox Acusera 24/7 training series. In this part we're going to be looking at the exception report. As per usual, we're starting at the home page. To find the exception report, we come into the reports icon, find the exception report at the bottom of the list, click on it, and we're brought to the exception report screen. The first thing we're going to do is choose our date range. We'll choose the 22nd of August until the 22nd of September. And then we have our generate arrow and our Excel and PDF file formats for downloading the data after. So we'll click our generate and we'll start to generate the data. So this report essentially generates all the data within this time period that has been entered, and then allows for a user to view this in terms of its SDI performance. So the headings then include the assay names, the instrument names, the lot names, the count, which is the number of results that have been entered within that date range, how many of these results are less than 2 SDI, how many of these results fall within 2 to 3 SDIs, and how many of these results are greater than 3 SDI. So if we wanted to find our worst performing assays within this date range, we simply double click to get our descending sorting, and we'll find how many of these assays have the highest results that have fallen outside of our 3 SDI limits. And we can see that we have 4 results for our albumin assay falling outside 3 SDI. 12 of these are also between 2 to 3, and 51 of these greater or under 2 SDI. Furthermore, you'll see that all of the results entered for apolipoprotein have been falling outside 3 SDI, so these could be argued to be our worst performing results. And if we just download our Excel file, apologies, this can take a wee moment sometimes. We'll find, yes, so we will now find our exception report put into a Excel file format. So within this, we have our headings, that is the name of the assays, the instrument name, the lot name, and the number of results and the amount of times these have fallen outside or within or outside of our SDI ranges, as long as the percentage of our results that have been entered within that date range that are within that SDI. So we can see here that our ACTH assay, 100% of the results are within our 2 SDI range, whereas our albumin has 6% of the results landing outside of our 3 SDI limit. And that concludes the exception report part of the Acusera 24/7 training series. Thank you.